back to Miss Anita's phonics class. If you're new here, this is a place for you to learn your letter sounds and also learn to read using those letter sounds. This is lesson 17 and let's get started. Alright, today we are thinking about a new sound and I have some picture clues here for you which can help you to work out today's sound. So I am going to flash the pictures over here. If you know them, please say them out loud. Okay? Alright. Okay, that's our first picture. If you know it, please shout it out. This is our second one. I wonder what this object is. And this is the last one. What can you see in this picture? Okay. What do we have here? Yes, you are right. We have hat, hand, house. What is the same about all these pictures? Listen carefully. Let's try again. Hat, hand, house. You're right. All these pictures start with the sound H. The sound H is written like this. Letter H makes the sound H. Let's practice saying sound H. My turn, your turn. Okay? My turn. Your turn. My turn. Your turn. Excellent. Now, I would like you to say to the person next to you or to your learning buddy. I'm going to speak to my learning buddy. Okay? Ready? Let's go. All right. Good job. Well done. Now that we can hear sound in spoken words like heart, hand, house. I wonder, can you think of words that start with sound? Pause the video to give yourself some time to think and I'll take some time as well. Yes, I've thought of 3 words. I am going to sound talk those words and you're going to blend them together so that we can work out the words. Ready? Let's go. Okay, the first one is hug. Blend it. Hug, hug, hug. The next one is eat. Blend it. Heat, 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 heat. Good job, well done. And the last one is, listen carefully. Hot. Which one is that? Hot. Hot. It's hot in here. Hot. All those words start with sound. Excellent. Good job, boys and girls. We are doing really well. We can hear sound in spoken words. We can think of words that have sound in them. Did you know that actions help us to remember our letter sounds? Yes, they do. So, for this sound, we are going to hold our hand right in front of our mouth and pant as if we are running out of breath. Like this. Alright? Let's do this together. Well done. So that's the action to help us remember sound. Okay. Why don't you have a go at writing sound? First, we shall start with glitter, but feel free to use what you have at home. You can use paint, sugar, salt, sand, anything that is available, alright? Okay, I'll go first and then you'll have your turn after me, alright? So for this sound, we go down the stick, back up the stick, over and down. It looks like a chair. Your turn. Good job. Alright, my turn again. We go down the stick, back up the stick, over and down. Your turn. The last one. Down the stick, halfway back up the stick, over and down. Excellent. All right, now let's have a go at writing sound. Okay, so get your whiteboards and markers or get your pencil and papers. Okay, I suggest that you get a book so that if you're not using a whiteboard, I suggest that you get one book that you use for all these lessons. What do you think? Okay, so first you're going to draw 3 lines for me like this because we want our letter to be placed on a line if you're not using a lined paper. All right, my turn. I'll go first. We go, let me start here. We go down the stick, back up the stick, over and down. Excellent. Your turn. We go down the stick, back up the stick halfway, over and down. Your turn. Last one. Down the stick, back up the stick, over and down. Excellent. Now, I would like you to draw 3 lines down here on your whiteboard and write sound 3 times as you say it. Okay? Ready, set, go. Excellent. Well done, boys and girls. You've worked really hard on this sound. Give yourself a pat on the back. Now, let's have a go at reading words with Alright, it's time for word attack. Word attack. We are going to attack those words that have sound in them. We can't fail to read these words because we know our letter sounds. Alright? Okay. This is our first word. Okay? I hope you can see it. Remember, we sound out first and then blend those sounds together to work out the word. Alright? Or to attack it. Let's go. My turn to sound out. Eat. Your turn. Good job. My turn to blend. Heat. Heat. Your turn to blend. Heat. Well done. Good job. Heat. All right. The next one, we are going to sound out and blend after. Okay, my turn to sound out. G. Your turn to sound out. My turn to blend. The slow way first. Hug. Hug. Your turn to blend. Hug. Please give me a hug. Hug. I need a hug. Excellent. Good job. Now this is your challenge. I want you to sound out this word and put the sounds together to see if you can work it out. Remember, we sound out first and then blend. Alright, I'll do the pointing for you. Blend. Did you read it? Did you read the word hack? Okay. Alright, let's do it together so that we are sure. Alright. Sound out together. A, k. Remember this k sound. Okay. Now let's blend the slow way. Hack. First way. Hack. Hack. Excellent. Good job. Well done, boys and girls. You've worked really hard on sound. Alright. Remember to subscribe because there are lots of phonics lessons coming up on this channel and I wouldn't want you to miss any. Okay? Please click that bell to get notified whenever a new lesson is uploaded. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye!